Here we go. Problem number 3. A hot day. Football team has drank an entire 50-gallon cooler and half as much again. How much water did they drink? Well, this is not a tough problem to do in your head, but let's do a quick tape diagram of this. So imagine that this is your original 50, right? And they're cutting this up into halves, so cut this up into halves. If they drank half that much again, then we're going to take this half distance amount and tack it on, which is this long. And if half of 50 is 25, then we can see clearly from our tape diagram that they just drank 75 gallons. 25 plus 25 plus 25. So 75 gallons of water for the football team there in that example. Let's look at the next one. Jada has 12 library books, so we're going to represent her 12 here with our tape diagram. So she's got 12 here. And she's checked out, and Han has a third less than that. So let's break her library books into thirds. So a third less than that, Han would be a third taken off would be here back. So Han is here. So we could say that Han is this distance. Now if you break 12s into thirds, then that means you have broken it up into 12 divided by 3, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. So therefore Han is this distance. He has 8 checked out. So Han has 8. And that's pretty simple. Let's jump on to the next problem. We have x represents a positive number. Select all of the expressions whose value is greater than x. Okay, so x is positive. We want all the ones that will be bigger than what x's value is. Okay, so if we multiply x by a fraction that is less than 1, it will shrink and make it smaller, especially if it's positive. So this one would not be working, right? This one would, because it's greater than 1, so it'll make it grow, so that one would be okay. If we do 1 minus a quarter, that is 3/4. Now if we multiply 3/4 times x, it will not be greater than x, it would make it shrink. So we don't want that one. And then 1 plus a quarter is 5/4, and just like the one over here, multiplying an x by a number greater than 1 will make it grow. So we want to pick B and D. And we'll save the last video for number 5.